Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open, then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad, then click allow and click consent. Now you can click this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see, I am connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.